Oh my gosh, guys. I took a peek and it looks promising. Stay tuned. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got some stuff from... Where was it from?
Huh?
Is it Ali Express? Or was it TEMU? This is what I was looking for. The UV Dip Resin, but it's a different brand. If you guys remember, I bought this one from Ali Express and it was really thick and difficult to use. I could use it for other things, maybe just as regular UV resin. I'm hoping that this is different. Let's open this up. You guys ready? I hope it's thin. The thinner the better. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, it looks like it's the same. But this does seem thinner than this one. Let's see. Let's give it a toothpick test. A skewer test. Since I've seen some people receive this one and it's runny, is it a hit or miss? Like, is it like, are they using the same stuff in here? Oh, this is definitely thinner. Oh, okay, that's promising. Ooh, okay. All right. Uh-oh, I hope the sun is not going to cure this. I need to close my blinds. Help, wait. Alrighty, so I am back to compare these. Let's use these to dip. And these may look a little suspect. Believe me, these are supposed to be Japanese maple leaves. They do look very similar to something else. I know what you're thinking, but they're not, alright? I'm going to put a picture right here so you know that I'm being truthful. These are Japanese maple leaves. So let's go ahead and dunk these. Oh, and also, I'm making a new video now that's going to make maple leaf earrings, so stay tuned. We're going to try to dip these. We've got the Ali Express one, and this is the TEMU Dip. And I do notice that seems like a lot more, but it both says 100 milliliters. I'll tell you guys how much I bought each of these to see if there's a difference in pricing too. Okay, so let's take a dip, and as you could tell, this one won't even go in because it's so thick. Push you in harder. Push. Okay, here we go. All right, let's take these out. I need a side view, guys. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Side view. Oh, this one's so thin that the top pops, so let me go put it in again. Oh, that one popped. Is it too thin? Oh no, another one popped. This leaf is too big. See, they all popped except the top two. Maybe if I don't let these drip off. Oh no, it popped though. It still popped. Okay, maybe if I like cure it. Okay, hold on. Where's my light? Alright, it's so thick. I can't even try to cure this. It's not gonna look right. Alright, so before I show you guys the results of the big petals, let's try to dip these hydrangea petals. Actually, this is so thin that this is running off. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go cure it. Okay, here are the results. First, the large leaves that I did. This one was so thick. It's too thick, and it pooled mostly on like one side. It's really thick, so you can feel how the thickness. And especially like here, look at that, how much it like pulled to the side. Like as you can see, like here, since it was so thick, it went over the actual wires. This one, on the other hand, did a lot better. It's very thin. However, it's you're gonna have to like go under the light really quick before it drips off and pops. And that's why I have these drips on here, because it was curing while it was dripping. And what you can do with these drips, you can actually just cut them off or file them off. So I do prefer this, and the results to the hydrangea, same, except that this, I was holding it this way so it pulled underneath the petal, which I think it would have been better if I held it upside down and cured it, so I could just cut off or file off the drips. So it did come out thick right there. This one is thick all over, and actually one of them popped, so there is a hole because one of them did pop. Hey, I'm back for a bonus experiment. Woohoo! I received a comment asking if there's something they can do with this really thick liquid that they got, and I want to do an experiment. I did reply to them saying that maybe they can thin it out with some thin UV resin. I want to give it a try today. Really quick, this is what I was talking about when I was saying that this container looks bigger than this one. The Ali Express one says it's 87. I did use a little bit of it before this video. This one says 120. So, I mean, the container itself looks one size larger than this one. Anyways, so what I want to do is take this really thick dip resin. Don't mind my blue hands. They are from Resin Pigments. Ignore my hands. They are blue from the most beautiful pigments, the best pigments. Let's see, I want to put some in here and compare if I add some UV resin. I have some cheap UV resin here. This is just like the cheapest stuff on Amazon. And popsicle stick. I do reuse all of my popsicle sticks by wiping them with 100% alcohol, and it works great. Okay, so see how thick this is? I don't know if you could see. I'm sort of in the way, aren't I? Do you see how thick that is? You see that? I'm gonna take like half of that. I'm just putting it out so I can compare. Okay, so here's probably about half of that, and I'm gonna mix in. Whoa, gosh, this went really fast. Okay, half regular UV resin. Let's see. Let's mix that up. I think this will work, actually. I think this half and half will work. I was going to do a quarter and a quarter of this stuff and more UV resin, but some of the bubbles have come to the surface. So let me move them out of the way so it won't be as bubbly. Of course, you guys may want to wait till all of the bubbles actually go away and pop before you do this, okay? Let me go ahead and try to dunk this. Okay, see? Oops, this one popped. Hold on. Okay, now you gotta go dunk. See? It's good. It's good. See? It works. Oh, it totally worked, guys. Yay. Of course, if you wait for these bubbles to, to go ahead and pop and come to the surface, this will be a lot clearer and better, and it's not as thick as what we tried to do when it was just this stuff alone. Yes, so it does work. Just add 50%, well, depending on your UV resin, of course. And I was holding it like this so the drips would come down while curing. So there was that one large drip that was there. But all you have to do, like I mentioned before, snip it off, file it, and you are ready to go. Okay, guys? All right. Yay! So what did you guys think of the results? And of course, I totally recommend Toa Dip that we have here in Japan. I do sell it in my eBay. The link is in the description below, and I'll show you guys why. You guys saw me dipping those wires there, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the Toa Dip. Now you just dunk it and whoop, like that. That's it. It usually won't pop, especially if it's this size. It's definitely not going to pop. It might pop if it's super large, if you have really big flowers or petals or leaves. But especially this size, this is just easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And I just stand this up in a styrofoam tray and just let it dry. That's it. That is it. I'm about to make some earrings out of these, so if you guys want, please watch the next video. This one is a Canadian maple. It's trying to be a Canadian maple. And until next time, bye.